Today I'm going to be unboxing this brand new kawaii softie, like this adorable alarm clock. Yeah, so this box is blue. It's from Amazon. It's advertising for the new Paw Patrol movie. Yeah, well, let's get opening. Okay, ready? Go. Okay. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Look at this. It's so cute. I need to open this. Okay. So it looks like there's two, and I actually don't know why I did not order two, but we'll see. Okay, wow, I'm so excited to see what these look like. Okay, you guys can see. Let me take it out. Okay, so it has this. I think this is the charger. It's actually a charging alarm clock. Okay, I'm going to open this. Be right back. Oh my gosh! These are adorable. I think I need to charge them, so I'll go do that, and then I'll show you when I'm back. Let's plug this adorable thing in. Okay. Oh my. I love it so much. So I'm gonna have to set the time, but okay. Oh my god. You guys can't see it so well because it's kind of dark in here, but it looks even cuter when it's like, yeah, but let's try out the ringtones. Okay, let's see. How do you do that? Oh, and it lights up. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Okay, let's see. What's this? Okay, I don't think that's the ringtones. Let's see this. It's gonna take me a minute to find out how to use this, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna go read the instructions. Okay guys, so I found out how to do the ringtones, so I'll show you. Found out how to do the ringtones, and this is how. Okay, so there's the one that I actually have right now. It took me a day to find out. here's this one that I'm using right now. I really like the tune. Like I like music that has like this kind of like music in it. Okay. Then the other thing is so if you touch this, it changes the color of the dinosaur head. And you also have to, and then it turns to this weird thing, and I don't know why. So you just, oh my god, I didn't even know that I could color change like that. Well, anyway, so, also it has this thing called voice control, and I need to show you. It's like so cool. Okay. So right here, press BO1, and then you have voice control. Okay, watch.
The current time is. The current time is 8:45 a.m.
I know, it's so cool, and I wish you could change the voice because that's kind of, I don't really like it, but it's cool. So, bye! I love this alarm clock. And the other one didn't actually work so well. Yeah, so, yeah, it's good that there was two. Because I like this one, it's not plugged in right now, and the other one you have to always have it plugged in. So I don't think I'm really gonna use the other one unless I just decide to put it next to an outlet. But yeah, so bye.